Why not embryonic stem cells?
Firstly, because they don't have the track record that autologous stem cells do. Autologous meaning coming from you. The chances of you giving you some tumor or having some side effect are very, very limited. It's conceptually the same thought process as autologous blood donation preoperatively. If you needed the blood intraoperatively or postoperatively, if you've donated blood on the front end, the blood you get back, with very rare exceptions, is going to be a problem for you. It's not going to be a problem for you, in other words. Versus a greater incidence by percentage of developing something when it's donated from some other person. We all have DNA markers. We have what are called antigens, and they're cell markers, such that we all know people who've gotten organ transplants, liver, heart, kidney, etc. Almost all of those people have to be put on some sort of immunosuppressive regimen, usually a chemical regimen, to keep the response of our own body down and let that organ system that has been transplanted come in and function within the body. Okay? I'm simplifying this, obviously, but keeping down our own natural defenses is the rationale behind utilizing these immunosuppressive agents, which all have some side effect that's not necessarily what we want to see, but it's better than the alternatives if we don't use them. And that can be rejection of that particular vital organ. Stem cells, when they are our own DNA programmed stem cells, the chances of that creating issues for us are very, very limited. Embryonic stem cells, while they are more, they come from a more primordial, a more primitive aspect of a stem cell of a cell before it subsequently differentiates into whatever it's going to be. That's a nice concept, but the ultimate real issue for that is you don't know anything about the embryo. You don't know what it was destined to be. You don't know what its DNA program is subsequently going to be turned out. You know you. Okay? In addition to that, when you're harvesting from you, they're going to be replenished. You're just taking the good from you and giving the good back to you. The method, modalities, and the controversy relative to embryonic stem cell harvesting are apparent. It is prior to delivery. A lot of people don't understand that even placental stem cell donation is considered adult stem cell. Anything from delivery on is considered adult stem cell. Anything that is pre-delivery is embryonic.